Hello Nagaland. Today we will discuss about Piper longum, which is commonly called as Pippali, and how it can be used as home remedies in our home for some quite common ailments. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Also, like, share and comment to Health Naturally. Before going into the topic, let me discuss how to prepare the medicine. Dried Pippali fruit is collected and crushed and prepared into powdered form, and it is stored in an airtight container. 2 to 5 gram, that is 1 tsf of powdered Pippali is boiled in 2 cups of water in a low flame. When 1 cup of water remains, it is taken out of the stove and cooled and then strained. This medicine thus prepared can be used within 24 hours. If it is refrigerated, it can be used for 48 hours. It is always advisable to prepare the medicine whenever it is required. In cases of indigestion, 2 grams of Pippali powder mixed with jaggery twice before food gives very good results. In cases of cough and cold, 2 grams of Pippali with honey thrice a day gives very good results. 10 to 20 ml of decoction of Pippali with ginger and gulmoris or black pepper powder mixed with a little quantity of sugar helps in reducing cough. In cases of pyorrhoea, which is a gum problem which, if not taken care of, leads to affecting the jawbone. In these cases, decoction of Pippali prepared as advised above, mixed with honey and a little amount of ghee and kept in mouth morning and evening helps in treating this pyorrhoea. In cases of diarrhea, 2 grams of powdered Pippali is mixed with 1 liter of buttermilk, and this 1 liter is divided into 4 glasses and taken 6 hourly, which helps in diarrhea. In cases of cold and fever, 2 grams of powdered Pippali mixed with honey taken twice gives very good results. Thank you.